Sawadika! Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and this is my dad. And today we are making the banana wrapped in coconut sticky rice. Yesterday we have received the banana and sticky rice from our neighbor. So today we're making this. And after we finish, we're gonna give some of them back.
Before we start making the banana wrapped in coconut sticky rice, we have to go into the garden to cut us some banana leaves. Later, we will use the banana leaf to wrap the Khao Tom Mud. We will also need string to tie the wraps. The traditional way is to make it from fresh bamboo by splitting the stem into smaller and smaller strips until it becomes like string. Here, we have already soaked the rice in cold water for about 2 hours before we put it in the pan. Add coconut milk and bring to a boil. Use medium heat and make sure you stir the whole time, otherwise the rice will burn. Add sugar at the end of the cooking process. When making coconut sticky rice for Khao Tom Mud, it is important to keep in mind that we will later have to steam them for about 1 hour, so the rice should only be about 70% cooked at this stage. Make a double layer of banana leaf. Add a few tablespoons of the coconut sticky rice and use a piece of banana leaf to flatten the rice. Sprinkle with some boiled white kidney beans before placing banana on top. Use the leaves to shape the filling. You can add some more kidney beans if you like. Khao Tom Mud is a cultural heritage food of Thailand. It is made in exactly the same way today as it has been for centuries. In Thai, Khao Tom Mud means boiled rice which is tied together. The process of folding and tying the wrap follows a unique pattern that reflects local wisdom and the way of life in rural Thailand. Learning to fold and tie correctly is more difficult than it looks. It took quite a few attempts and a lot of help from my dad before I managed to fold and tie perfectly. If you don't have access to fresh bamboo, you can use fibers from the trunk of the banana. For those of you who are not in Thailand and want to try this recipe, you can use normal kitchen twine. Here, I used 2 steamers, one on top the other, since we were making 60 pieces. You can use any steamer depending on the quantity. Just remember that the water should be boiling before you put the steamer on the pot.
So this is my banana wrapped in coconut sticky rice and it is so delicious. I have tasted it already, and if you like to try it at home, you can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, but do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a very spicy day. I'm gonna eat this with some jasmine tea. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.
In rural Thailand, it is common to share food and resources between family and neighbors. In this case, we got banana and a bag of sticky rice, so we returned the favor with Khao Tom Mud.
Banana wrapped in coconut sticky rice. I'm gonna give them to my lovely neighbors and cousin.